Welcome to another Acadia Point of Sale video guide. In this video, we'll show you how to add new team members and manage their access levels using the Acadia Point of Sale web backend. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the AcadiaPOS web backend and log in with your admin credentials. Once you've reached the dashboard, click the Employees tab on the left-hand sidebar. Then, click Employees again on the sub-menu. This is where your entire staff list is managed. To add someone new, click the Add Employee button in the top right corner. On the next screen, enter the employee's information, including email, first and last name, and PIN number. Proceed to set their user PIN number, which is used to log in on the point of sale terminals, and set their status to active. You can also use the Locations drop-down menu to set their access to specific stores. Below the Basic Information section, you will have the Permissions section, which allows you to toggle different permissions on the system depending on each employee needs. Here's what each permission toggle does. Full Reports grants access to all comprehensive reports at the point of sale. Tip Report allows viewing of tip summary and details. Cash Report grants access to cash handling summaries. Single Employee Report allows an employee to view their individual sales and activity report. Voids permits voiding transactions or items after they have been processed. Inactivate Product allows removal of a product from active selling status at the POS. Cart Delete permits deleting the entire order, cart, before processing. Kitchen Lock Override allows bypassing the kitchen lock feature, typically used to prevent order changes after submission. Backend Permissions Catalog/Full Access grants total control over the product catalog, including adding, editing, and deleting products. Reports allows viewing of various sales, inventory, and operational reports in the web backend. Tax Rates grants permission to manage and edit the system's tax rate settings. Tender Types allows management of the accepted payment methods, for example, cash, credit card, gift card. Catalog Quantity Only permits editing of inventory quantities in the catalog without full access to product details. Employees allows for the management of the entire staff list, including adding new profiles, setting PINs, and managing status. Locations permits creating new locations, setting or limiting an employee's access to specific store locations. General Settings grants access to settings that can affect the entire system's functionality. To keep your business secure, only enable permissions for employees who understand their function, as enabling a permission like General Settings can allow for changes that disrupt the entire system's functionality. Before finishing, scroll to the bottom of the page and review your selections. Ensure the permissions and location settings are correct, then click Create Employee. Your new user is now active and ready to access the backend. That's how you create employees and manage permissions on the AcadiaPOS web backend. For more video guides, subscribe to AcadiaPOS YouTube channel.